So guys, I'll just go ahead and use my Revolution Pro Full Coverage Concealer. I'll just apply that on my eyelid and I'll just spread it out. So once you finish blending that out, making sure that it covers your eyelid, I'll just go ahead and use some setting powder just to set that base, to make sure that I get no crease when I put my eyeshadow on. I'll be using my Festival Profusion eyeshadow palette, and I'll be using the brown shades on this palette. The first thing I'm gonna do is start from the outside corners of my eyes going in, so literally just, you know, using that as my transition color and blending it into my crease. And yeah, and then we're going to use the lighter brown shade just at the top and the outside of the darker brown, just to literally just blend that in. I hope this makes sense, but just look at what I'm doing, guys, and literally just blend. I'm gonna use a flat brush that I normally use to clean off my eyebrows, just to like cut my crease. Guys, to cut your crease is one of the hardest thing, but I think I'm getting used to like literally just drawing it quick so that I don't make no mistakes. Obviously there's different ways to cut crease, but I kind of find this way easier because it's literally quick. Like, you don't have to be shaking or wasting time. So just make sure that concealer is set before you go ahead and use your pink eyeshadow. So I'll be using this dark pink on the same eyeshadow palette, and I will literally just go ahead and apply that into where I cut the crease. By the way, guys, this palette is not like pigmented, so literally I went in tapping on my eyelid literally a lot, just so that I can get that pink to show. So you can take your time while you do this. Don't rub it in because you're gonna mess it up. Just literally tap it onto your eyelid and hopefully you get the full coverage that you want. Or you can use a pigmented eyeshadow, makes life easier. But yeah, so I'll go in again with the dark brown just outside of that pink eyeshadow and literally just blending it in together, making sure that it's smooth and it's flawless. Okay, so for my under eye now, I'm literally going in with the same dark brown under my eyes, and then I'm using a black pencil for my waterline, and I'm literally just going to go ahead and add the pink at the bottom of my waterline, just blending that in like with the brown, but not too much of blending. Literally just put it at the bottom of the brown so that you can still see the pink. So now I'll just go ahead and use my Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette just to get that pink glitter just like on the corners of my eyes. It's like white pinkish, so like it just kind of blends in with the pink eyeshadow, and I feel like it just goes with the look and it makes my eyes stand out. Then I'll just go ahead and use my mascara just to give my under eye some volume, you know. And I kind of just went ahead and, you know, try and fix my highlighter again and whatever that I needed to fix. But yeah, so I'm using some MAC powder now just under my eyes, just to give my eyes a bit of highlight, you know. Then I'll just go ahead and use a bit of eyeliner just at the top of my lashes, just because these lashes are individuals and I feel like I've used them and misused them and it's a bit messy now. So I just needed to cover that with the eyeliner. Yeah, so then I just went ahead and set my face one more time, and I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved my lips. I'm using a dark brown pencil that I normally use for my eyebrows just to outline my lips, and I'm literally going to use my fingers just to kind of like, you know, spread that out properly. Then I'm going to use my Revolution Pro lipstick. I can't remember what this is called, but I'm going to put it down below, but it's like peach pink kind of lipstick. And I'm just going to apply that, then I'm going to spread it out again with my fingers. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my lip gloss at this point. Yeah, so once I add my lip gloss, that's really it for this look really. But yeah, So guys, that's it for this look. I really just wanted to show you guys how I achieved this eye look, and I guess my lips as well. Let me know what you guys think in the comment below. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.